It's mailbox time. Did you do it? I just got the camera. You already did it. Leah did it before I could even get down here with the camera. Okay. Yeah. Fixed. Well, for now anyway. Not entirely sure what happened here, but this just decided it's not going to turn anymore. There. And then this lock, you need a key to unlock it, which we have, but we only have 2 keys. It's been on our list of to-dos. So how the hell do you get this thing off? Mia's in most of the footage, but I've been cracking at it too. I have done a lot of damage to this thing, but it is surviving. From what I see in the YouTube videos, this piece has to come off. I just don't see any way of getting it off. I've broken it, but Mia's using that tool. I've been hammering the screwdriver into it and twisting. We are not smarter than a deadbolt. Now we're on to the doorknob. Well, I know the name of this vlog. Smarter than a doorknob, dumber than a deadbolt. Da-da-da. Is that me or you?
Hello. This is just a test call. Time to stay home. Stay safe and stay home.
Alright, Mia's got her safety goggles on. We've tried all the Allen wrenches that we have. We have a lot of them. We have a whole set and we have all the extras from IKEA. So you're supposed to be able to put those in here, and I think that helps unloosen this. I still thought there's supposed to be screws, but no matter what, not working.
And still, it seemed like there's no...
Maybe we should have left it alone. Maybe we had the greatest lock ever made. I'm not sure anybody could get through that. Yeah, anything you put there now is just going to be inferior.
Something wrong with the lock?
No, it's indestructible. How does that even stay on? Is it like tucked into the...
I think it is.
Well, this is where we are now. We've peeled several layers of door off, or deadbolt. No sign of screws or any way to unlock this. I guess we'll see if Jerry's smarter than a Brumia.
Well, I'm usually good at following instructions, so if I can find instructions...
I looked up a bunch of tutorials, and they just take a thing and they pop off the front plate. There's screws, they unscrew it, and there it is. We can't find any screws.
Specifically for multi-lock?
Progress?
I think I found the inner ring. I wonder if they soldered the thing together.
It's a forever deadbolt. Still at it. It's time for The Simpsons.
Blows away all of those high-price plans. Introducing Boost Mobile's all-new Shrink-It plan. The longer you stay, the
Success on the doorknob. Defeated by the deadbolt. To be continued. It's bedtime.
So it looks like 3/30 seconds is too small and 7/64 is too big.
Okay.
So maybe it's metric. It could be 2.5 millimeters.
It is a beautiful day in Pennsylvania. So we are going to attempt to do Mia's hair. Never actually dyed Mia's hair before. It's our first time. Gonna try to make it like maybe a brighter red. Hopefully not a crazy red. This is a shampoo and a conditioner. This can go in the shower, and then maybe you mix all this stuff together. Stay tuned. Alright, first it wants us to snap off the top of bottle number 2. Okay.
Okay. And then
Snapped. So then number 1 goes into number 2. Okay. Here we go. Number 1's yellow. You forgot to laugh, Mia. There you go. Okay.
All right. Now pour all of number 3.
And then this thing, which is very satisfying, that's number 3, and that goes into there. Okay, so this is the last one. This also goes into bottle number 2. This one they say to be very careful with. All right, here we go. Uh-oh, Jerry's here. We're almost ready, Jerry. Are you ready to dye your hair? You're gonna look like a star. All right, now we've got all 4 things in here. Are we really doing this, Mia?
Yep.
And you gotta shake it. Uh-oh. Oh, it's turning red. It's turning red, Mia. We'll see. You just got about 5 more minutes, and just to wash it out. So, like you can see, the red here and has more natural color than here. But it's kind of pretty. Next time we'll try to do it more evenly.
Good enough.
Good enough.
I mean, where are we gonna go?
I know. On the internet. You're ordering Chinese food. Have we had Chinese food since this started?
No, we haven't.
So
yet.
pre-March.
We've made some Chinese food
Yeah.
at home, but
Are you ready for Chinese food, Mittens? Mittens, you're adorable. Look at your cute little feet, Mittens. It looks like you're wearing mittens. You know we deliberately gave you a dumb name, right? Good boy, Mittens, good boy. Oh, these companies are killing me a little bit. Obviously, I'm not going to be skipping this wave. Muckman and Mondo are 2 of my favorites, and obviously you gotta have Don, and who skips Casey Jones, right? It's Chinese food time. Oh, that smell is gonna drive me nuts. You have to drive the rest of the way home? I'll start eating it now, Mia?
nah.
Who's ready for Chinese food? This is a ready Mia. Nothing excites Mia like Chinese food. Very excited. Chinese food is how Mia and I first got to really know each other. over Chinese food.
It's our thing.
It's our thing. Oh, Mrs. Mia. Oh, your plate is coming to life now.
Yeah. So,
Oh, Mia's taking my tofu. Corey introduced me to tofu.
I also got General So chicken.
And Corey, I think he was a vegetarian at the time, right? Or was he already? He might have already been a vegan.
I think he was already vegan.
I think he was. Yeah, it was senior year, and he used to get from Grace Kitchen sesame tofu with broccoli and this big giant thing of iced tea. It was like a big tub of iced tea. It was like $5 for everything.
That was a great deal.
Oh my god, it was. And I don't think I'd ever had tofu before, and like we were kind of making fun of him a little bit. He's Corey, you have to laugh at him. But it smelled so good, so finally I tried it, and it was unbelievable.
Yeah.
All right, I'm a believer. Thank you, Corey. You don't have to be a vegan or vegetarian to enjoy tofu. How happy of a Mia are you so far?
I'm very happy.
Mia's having seconds now. The happiness continues.
Yep.
And then behind Mia, somebody else is waiting for their happiness. Look at this face. Chinese food for Mia. That's a happy Mia. Oh, what a happy Mia. This is an unhappy Moochie, though. Oh, Moochie, it's not time yet, and you know it. Your hair doesn't look terrible.
Oh, what a great, great compliment.
It was my first time.
Enthusiasm is infectious, stimulating, and attractive to others. People will love you for it.
Ah.
Tonight,
It's time for the
you may
debate.
be familiar with my pen.
Serenity now.
Familiar with her. It's the Senator's Challenge.
Tea?
Be considered
Oh.
a stumble. And you can believe that,
I
that
figured
Kamala Harris
some
is gonna
lemon ginger tea
abide
could
by
be
the
good
rule
to
that the
settle
best,
my stomach
defense
during
is
this
the
debate.
law. She's going to bring up the
I might join you.
as the head of the coronavirus task force.
I might have missed most of the meteor shower, but I think that's Mars. Oh, okay. Oh, I thought that was you, Mittens. Oh, I heard. Oh. Yeah, that kind of sounds like when they're doing their thing. Hey guys, it's a beautiful day in Pennsylvania. I think our wrenches are coming today. We got more Allen wrench things for the door. We're gonna try that. If that doesn't work, power cannon? I don't know. Yeah, I just don't know. That thing is indestructible. All right, maybe we'll try to do some painting today. I painted Mia yesterday. Now maybe I'll paint the walls today. I'll try anyway. All right, I'm gonna end here. Thank you guys for watching. Good night.